Have you ever pondered about how artificial intelligence, or AI, is influencing your daily life? Let's take a moment to think about it. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to sci-fi movies or the imaginations of tech enthusiasts. It's here, and it's been here, quietly integrating itself into our everyday lives. Let's start by understanding what AI is. In its simplest form, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Not just basic tasks, but learning, planning, and decision-making. Sounds quite impressive, doesn't it? Now you might be thinking, but I haven't seen any robots walking around my house. And you're right, but AI isn't just about robots, it's about intelligent systems that enhance our lives in subtle ways. Take your smartphone for example, it's a treasure trove of AI. Every time you ask Siri or Google Assistant for the weather forecast, you're interacting with AI. When you unlock your phone with your face or fingerprint, that's AI too. It's learning and adapting to you, making your life just that little bit easier. And what about social media? AI is the invisible force that decides what you see on your feeds. It learns from your likes, shares, and clicks to show you content that it thinks you'll enjoy. And let's not forget online shopping. Ever wondered how Amazon or eBay seem to know just what you want? It's all AI. They analyze your browsing and buying patterns to suggest products that might catch your eye. In essence, AI is everywhere, silently reshaping our world, making things more efficient, more personalized. It's becoming so integral to our daily routines that we often don't even realize it's there. But its influence is undeniable. And as technology progresses, AI's footprint on our lives is only set to grow. So whether you're an enthusiastic tech adopter or someone who uses technology just because you have to, AI is something you can't ignore. From your smartphone to your social media feeds, AI is already here, silently reshaping your world. But what exactly is this AI we're talking about? When we say AI or artificial intelligence, we're referring to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. These machines are programmed to think like humans and mimic their actions. The term is often applied to a machine or computer that can display attributes associated with the human mind, such as learning and problem solving. But let's break it down a bit more. AI hinges on two significant concepts: learning and reasoning. By learning, we mean the acquisition of information and the rules for using that information. By reasoning, we mean using those rules to reach approximate or definite conclusions. Now, AI isn't a monolithic entity. It can be divided into two main branches: machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that gives machines the ability to learn from their experiences without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child to identify animals. You show them pictures of various animals, and over time, they start identifying them on their own. Similarly, in machine learning, we feed data to the machine and allow it to learn and make predictions or decisions based on that data. On the other hand, deep learning, a subset of machine learning, takes inspiration from the human brain. It uses something called artificial neural networks. Think of it as teaching a child to identify animals, not just by showing them pictures but also by explaining what makes a dog different from a cat or a bird. So, in essence, AI is a system that learns from experience, adjusts to new inputs, and performs tasks that usually require human intelligence. It's like a child growing, learning, and adapting to its environment, but in a more calculated, precise, and, dare we say, intelligent manner. So, in essence, AI is a system that learns from experience, adjusts to new inputs, and performs tasks that usually require human intelligence. Now that we understand what AI is, let's delve into its impact on our lives. Artificial intelligence is more than just a buzzword. It's a transformative force reshaping our world. One of the most notable impacts is the improved efficiency it brings. From streamlining business processes to optimizing energy use, AI is helping us do more with less. Consider the automation of tasks. AI is capable of performing repetitive, mundane tasks, freeing us up to focus on more creative and complex problems. It's like having an indefatigable assistant working round the clock, making our lives easier and our work more productive. And let's not forget its potential in vital fields like healthcare. AI can help doctors diagnose diseases, suggest treatments, and even predict health risks. It's like having a second opinion, but one that's backed by the analysis of millions of data points. AI's influence extends to education as well. It can customize learning plans to suit each student's pace and style, enhancing the learning experience and making it more effective. It's like having a personal tutor, one that knows your strengths and weaknesses inside out. In transportation, AI is paving the way for self-driving cars, reducing the risk of human error and potentially making our roads safer. But like all technologies, AI is not without its downsides. One concern is job displacement. As AI takes over certain tasks, some fear it could lead to job losses. There's also the issue of privacy. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it's gathering more data about us, raising questions about how this information is used and protected. Like any technology, AI has its pros and cons. It's our responsibility to navigate them wisely. We must strike a balance, leveraging the benefits of AI while mitigating its risks. It's a challenge, but one that holds the promise of a better future. Let's embrace AI, but with caution and responsibility. It's not just about harnessing the power of AI, but also about guiding it in a way that serves us all. Wondering how you can prepare for this AI-driven future? Our world is changing rapidly, and at the heart of this transformation is artificial intelligence. But how do we prepare for a future where AI plays such a significant role? The key is in understanding, keeping up with its developments, and considering its ethical implications. Firstly, it's crucial to grasp the basics of AI. We're not saying you need to become a data scientist overnight, but having a fundamental understanding of how AI works will help you navigate this brave new world. It's like learning to swim before diving into the ocean. You need to know what AI can do, its limitations, and how it's likely to evolve. Keeping up with AI's developments is equally important. AI is not a static field, it's constantly evolving. There are new breakthroughs, applications, and technologies emerging every day. By staying informed, you can anticipate changes and adapt accordingly. This doesn't mean you need to read every scientific paper or attend every tech conference. It could be as simple as following a few key AI influencers on social media, subscribing to AI newsletters, or regularly checking in with AI-focused news sites. Thirdly, we need to consider the ethical implications of AI. AI has the potential to bring about tremendous benefits, but it also has the potential to cause harm. Issues around privacy, bias, and job displacement are already coming to the fore. As we move forward, we need to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. But individuals alone can't shoulder this responsibility. We need regulations to manage the use of AI, to protect our rights, and ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equitably. Governments, organizations, and society as a whole need to engage in meaningful dialogue to shape these regulations. Preparation for an AI future isn't just about understanding the technology or keeping up with the latest developments. It's about understanding the broader societal implications and ensuring that we have the right checks and balances in place. Preparation for an AI future begins with understanding and keeping up with it. So, why should you pay attention to AI? Consider this: AI is everywhere. It's in your pocket, in your car, it's even in your kitchen. It's the invisible hand guiding the digital world, making decisions, solving problems, and transforming the way we live, work, and play. It's not just about robots and self-driving cars. It's about a fundamental shift in how we understand and interact with the world around us. AI is changing everything. It's redefining industries, reshaping economies, and reimagining what's possible. It's creating opportunities and challenges that we're only just beginning to understand. And it's happening faster than we can keep up. With every passing day, AI is becoming more sophisticated, more powerful, and more pervasive. But here's the catch: AI is only as good as the people who use it. It's a tool, a powerful tool, but a tool nonetheless. And like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. It can be used to create, or to destroy, to empower, or to oppress, to enlighten, or to deceive. The choice is ours. So, why should you pay attention to AI? Because it's not just about technology, it's about us. It's about our values, our aspirations, our fears and hopes. It's about the kind of world we want to live in, and the kind of future we want to build. It's about taking responsibility for the decisions we make, the actions we take, and the consequences they have. Being informed and proactive in engaging with AI is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. It's about understanding the potential and the pitfalls of AI, and making informed decisions about how to use it. It's about being part of the conversation and not just a passive observer. The AI revolution is here, and it's time for you to join. Start your AI journey today, because the future is waiting for no one.